Ever thought about growing your own herbs? Herb gardening brings immense joy and benefits. It's an easy, fulfilling journey, where even novices can cultivate their own fresh, aromatic herbs with minimal effort. Growing herbs is simple, rewarding, and can be done by anyone, anywhere. First things first, decide which herbs to grow. Consider user-friendly varieties like basil, parsley, and mint. Also, think about your climate, the amount of sunlight your garden gets, and how you plan on using the herbs. Choosing the right herbs is the first step to your herb gardening journey. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to plant them. Start by preparing your soil. It should be well drained and rich in organic matter. Next, make small holes in the soil, about 2 to 3 times the width of your seed or seedling's root ball. Gently place your herb into the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Cover the roots with soil and water thoroughly, and just like that, you've planted your very own herbs. Now that your herbs are planted, they need some TLC. Regular watering is essential, but avoid overdoing it. Sunlight, too, is key. Most herbs love a good 6 to 8 hours of sunshine each day. Pruning encourages growth, so don't shy away from a little snip here and there. And as for pests, well, they're an inevitable part of gardening. A mix of water and mild soap usually does the trick. With a little care, your herbs will thrive and be ready for harvest in no time. See? Starting your own herb garden is easier than you think. It all begins with choosing your herbs, planting them properly, and giving them the care they need. In return, they'll reward you with freshness and flavor that no store-bought herbs can match. So why not give it a try? Step into the world of herb gardening and discover the joy of nurturing life from a seed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!